In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order form payment page on systeme.io. To begin, log into your systeme.io account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Funnels. This is where you manage the pages and steps that guide people through your sales process. Next, open the funnel where you want to add your payment page. If you have not created one yet, click Create and build a new funnel using the Sell goal. That goal is designed for pages that help you promote and sell an offer, so it is the right choice for an order form setup. After that, look to the left sidebar and click the Create Step button. This adds a new page to your funnel. When the setup window appears, give the page a clear name such as Checkout, so it is easy to recognize later. Then open the Page Type dropdown. Choose Order Form and click Save. Once the step has been created, click on that new order form page in the left sidebar so it is selected. You will then see the available page templates. Take a moment to browse through the free designs and choose one that matches the look and structure you want. When you find a suitable layout, click Select. With the template in place, move over to the panel on the right side and find the Price Plans section. Click the plus icon there to connect the page to a product or pricing option that you have already set up. This could be a digital product, a subscription, or a payment plan. This part is important because it tells systeme.io what the customer is actually purchasing when they complete the form. Now click the Edit Page button marked with the magic wand icon to open the drag and drop editor. Inside the editor, customize the text, form fields, and layout blocks so the page fits your offer and branding. As you make changes, be sure to keep the payment method and order summary elements on the page. Those sections are essential because they allow the customer to review the purchase and complete payment properly. When everything looks the way you want, click the green Save Changes button in the top right corner. Then click the exit arrow to leave the editor and return to your funnel. At that point, your order form payment page will be active and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.